Have you ever found yourself frantically packing the night before a trip, afraid you might forget something? Well, those days are over. The secret? Always being packed for travel.
But seriously, we actually do keep a set of clothing, toiletries, and a few miscellaneous items specifically for travel that are packed and ready to go at all times. Keep watching and we'll show you how it works.
First, let's talk about clothing. The key to our process is having dedicated pieces of clothing that we never use in our everyday life.
These items are reserved only for travel. Having your clothes ready to go means that the bulk of your packing is always done. It also makes your life way easier when you return home, as you can wash everything separately and just repack them straight away.
So, what should you pack? The key to pre-packed clothing is simplicity and versatility. You want items that can be used in a variety of climates and that can be mixed and matched easily.
Think basic t-shirts or lightweight pants or shorts. For shirts, I like the brand True Classic. It's actually what I'm wearing right now. They are high quality and you can even buy them in bulk packs to save money.
Unfortunately, I have not found a bulk affordable option that I really love. My current favorites are Bombas, which you can get in bulk, but are very, very expensive and high quality. My other option that I love is the Banana Republic Timeless Tee, which you can get at their factory store or their factory site for about $15 a shirt when it's on sale.
Then for pants, we love hiking pants. They're perfect because they're comfortable to wear on the plane and at your destination. For years, we would pack multiple pairs of jeans and quickly realized that was a mistake because they are heavy and not at all comfortable when you're flying. Our pro tip, ditch the jeans and replace them with hiking pants. So these shirts and pants will now go in packing cubes. Like this here. This is one I already have ready to go.
We don't leave for like 45 days. Next up is underwear and socks. This doesn't require much explanation. Just buy a bulk amount of underwear and socks that you love and pack them in their own little cubes so they're ready to go.
Yeah. I'd recommend Costco. They have a ton, right? That's what I do anyway. Socks, undies.
You can buy my Bombas socks from my cold dead hands. If they want to sponsor us, I would be very excited about that.
One extra tip that I have is to throw in a couple of pairs of compression socks. These are really useful when on long flights. Next up, toiletries. We have a complete set of travel toiletries packed and ready to go at all times. This includes everything from shampoo and conditioner, toothbrush and toothpaste, deodorant, skincare products, and any other essentials you know you'll use daily.
Make sure to refill or replace these items after each trip, so they're always ready for the next one. We also keep some first aid items on hand like Band-Aids, medicine, ibuprofen. We also usually pack some of our own cold and flu meds as they can come in handy in case you get sick. Just check what country you're going to that you can take them there. I also recommend keeping a couple of those small like laundry detergent packs or wipes, as again, they can really come in handy in case you have to like wash on the go.
Aside from clothing and toiletries, there are a few other miscellaneous items that we always have packed. This includes USB charging cables, a universal power adapter, a travel-sized laundry bag, a small umbrella, and even a lightweight backpack that we can use for day trips.
These little extras are things we found we almost always need, so keeping them packed means we won't accidentally forget them in the future.
And there you have it. By keeping a dedicated set of travel essentials always packed, you can significantly reduce the stress of packing before a trip. Plus, you'll be ready to go for your next adventure at a moment's notice.
Which is really helpful for those of us that live with you. Remember, the key to all of this is keeping these separate from your everyday items, so they're always ready when you need them.
If you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all our travel tips, hacks, and our future adventures. Do you have any packing hacks or tips that we didn't cover today? Just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
And see you next time.